Unraveling Which, your key to specific English questions. Hello there! Welcome to our new video lesson. Today, we're going to focus on asking for specific information using the question word, which. As we all know, which is one of the essential words we use to ask questions in English, especially when we need to pick something out from a defined set. So, let's dive right in and unlock the power of which. Which is a question word that we use when we want to ask for specific information about people or things from a known or limited set. For example, when you're choosing a shirt from your wardrobe, you could ask, "Which shirt should I wear today?" Because you're asking about specific shirts, the ones in your wardrobe, not any shirt in the world. Let's explore more about how we use which in questions. It's important to remember that we generally use which when the possible answers are already known or limited. For instance, if you're at a restaurant looking at a menu, you might ask your friend, "Which dessert should I get?" Here, the options are limited to the desserts on the menu. A useful point to keep in mind is that which can be used with both singular and plural nouns. If you expect a singular answer, you'd use a singular noun. For example, which book is yours? If you expect more than one answer, use a plural noun, such as in, "Which songs do you like from this album?" Which isn't just for direct questions. You can use it in indirect questions too. An example would be, "Can you tell me which way is to the station?" Here, we've incorporated a which question into a larger question. These kinds of questions are common in polite or formal conversation. One common confusion for English learners is when to use which versus what. Remember, use which when the possible answers are known or limited, while what is more general. For instance, you would ask, "Which of the two do you prefer, tea or coffee?" But you would ask, "What is your favorite drink?" when you're not limiting the options. And that wraps up our lesson on using which to ask for specific information. We hope this helps you in crafting more precise and accurate questions in English. Remember, practice is key. Try to incorporate which questions into your daily conversations and see the magic unfold. Until our next video, keep practicing and happy learning.